If you followed me on Instagram, you might have heard about it. So, I met a YouTube friend from the journaling community that I've been following for quite some time. And it was amazing that, we could finally meet one another in person and have a journaling session together. And she's Anna. So we knew each other through YouTube actually. I remember at the time I was just starting YouTube and I followed her and started commenting on her videos, and she also followed me and left some comments on my videos, and we decided to send each other happy mails and actually exchange our journaling kits. And I think I was the one reaching out to her first, asking her if I could send her something because I'm a fan of her channel and her journal aesthetics. She made the most beautiful videos, very moody and calming, and yeah, I was so in love with her video at the time. And yeah, I remember reaching out to her, asking her if she would like to receive some happy mail from me. So in the beginning of March, my husband and I went on a vacation to Gran Canaria in Spain, and I remember I sent a happy mail to Anna, and the address was in Gran Canaria. So I was so excited with this idea of, I could meet Anna, but yeah, I didn't know if she would like to meet me. So I reached out to her again through Instagram, and I told her that I would be in Gran Canaria and if she would care to meet up, and she said yes. So we met for lunch, and she brought me this beautiful package, with her favorite journaling kit, and we journaled together, and she filled a page in my journal. It felt so surreal when we first met, because we knew each other through YouTube, and when we could finally touch each other's journal, I have always seen her journal on YouTube, and when we met, I could finally touch the journal, and we filled each other's journal, and now I have a spread with Anna's aesthetics, a spread that Anna created together with me on our journaling session over lunch. It was amazing. It was so magical, and Anna took me to one of our favorite restaurants, and yeah, I think I couldn't believe that we just naturally bond through our journaling session, and we were just so excited with the magical opportunity of actually meeting each other. Who would have thought? So yeah, it was just amazing. I was still smiling every time I remember our meetup. It was so heartwarming, and Anna is just super sweet. She insisted to treat me and my husband for lunch, and she was so afraid that we wouldn't like the food or we wouldn't like the wine, and we told her, just calm down, Anna. We are we're so easy with food. We like any kind of food, and yeah, the food was delicious. I had the best grilled fish ever. It was nice. It was nice, and I think on top of it all, it is always the company, right? The company with whom you're enjoying your lunch or dinner. And thank you so much, Anna, for meeting me. And thank you so much for taking the time to show us around your beautiful city, even though you're busy and you have a lot of events and appointments, but you make time for our meetup, and it means a lot to me. Thank you so much. And with that being said, how are you, friends? I'm so happy to be back on YouTube. I think it's been a year since my last video. Last year was a bit weird for me. Like, it's not that I don't want to create videos, or I don't have any ideas to create videos. I thought about creating videos quite often, but I just don't feel like I have the energy or the, I don't know, like I'm not in the headspace of doing it, actually recording videos and editing videos. I recorded several clips, but I end up discarding them. But yeah, I'm back. I'm back thanks to my meetup with Anna, which inspires me to start uploading more stuff on YouTube. And yeah, so here I am, back with another journaling video. How have you been? I hope you are healthy and well, and I hope this year gives you a lot of opportunity to dig deeper into who you really are, into what you really like, and to connect with people that you would like to spend more time with. Today I want to create a photo page, photo spreads in my journal to document my trip to Gran Canaria. I have journaled about the trip in previous spreads of my journal, and if you'd like to see them, you can hop onto my Instagram. I created a reel, like a flip through of my travel journal from Gran Canaria. And yeah, so today I just want to create like a photo spread, so I'm not gonna write about my trip, but more like documenting the feeling, the memories, and I think the people I met and the things I see through pictures. Talking about meeting YouTube friends, have you ever met YouTube friends from the journaling community? Would you actually do that, like reaching out to someone and ask them to meet up in person? If you've ever met a YouTube friend from the journaling community, please share your stories down below in the comment section. I would love to read it. And if you feel like it's a bit strange to do that, also let me know why, or why do you think it's strange or a bit odd to meet someone you only know from YouTube. Also, yeah, if you have a YouTuber that you'd like to meet from the journaling community, who are they and why do you want to meet them? Anyway, you might have seen that in this video I use quite a lot of bits and pieces from Anna's aesthetics because I got an envelope like full of Anna's journaling kit, her favorites, and yeah, I'm using it in this spread to remind myself of our wonderful meetup. That's her. That's Anna, the sweetest. You can check Anna's video down below. I will leave the link to her videos, and I think that's all for today. Happy journaling and see you.